gentlemen, welcome to Hawaii. One of these days I'm going to be able to say that. You wait. Welcome to Orlando, and boys and girls, welcome to the House of the Mouse. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has brought this aircraft to a complete stop at the gate and turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. I know you're already using your cell phone, but I'm going to give you permission now that you can use the cell phone as long as you do not release your seatbelt or remove your carry-on luggage from its stowage area. Do us a favor, double check your seating area. On the floor around your feet, seat back pockets for all personal items. Anything left behind gets put on eBay and we supplement our income. Also, please use caution when opening overhead compartments as items do tend to shift, and ladies and gentlemen, let's face it, shift does happen. For those of you that are making connecting flights, double check those flight monitors for your connecting information for your next Southwest flight, because we know you're not making connections with any of those other airlines. Also, we do recognize that you have a choice in travel. We'd like to thank you for choosing Southwest this morning. We hope to see you on a future Southwest flight. And remember that nobody loves you and your money more than we do here at Southwest. Welcome to Orlando.